I mean, it's an amazing feeling knowing that, a whole bunch of players went to the Super Bowl that played in this. Hopefully, one of us can carry on the legacy.
This is just like a huge honor. I'm super excited to get to represent my school. I've been working for this my whole life. I'm just really excited to get to show everybody what we can do and cheer on the team.
I'm looking forward to building their relationships, and being a part of this is just amazing.
Sure, the hard work and the dedication that these athletes put in all year long for years is over the top. It's going to be nothing but success for them in the future in anything that they decide to do.